Hello trader, I'm Lina and this is the first video in 2023. I've prepared a surprise for you in my Telegram, so follow the link and get it. And we start our trading session, so take your seat and enjoy it. So let's start the trading session with you. There is a lot to see on the market at the moment. That is, the market is resting now, the holidays, what's concepts, what is on stocks, etc. Today we'll trade on concepts, now we'll add them right away. The indicators I will use parabolic, MACD, demarker. We have a parabolic trend indicator, MACD, and demarker oscillators. We will open for 3 minutes for $100, and let's see what results we get today. Now we'll open our concepts and choose the more suitable ones. Here we have the strongest volatility. I do not want to choose such concept. The Australian dollar does not show itself badly. Let's edit. So Australian dollar also seems to be in an upward movement. The global movement is downward. So the price breaks away from the resistance area and goes up. We will also add a currency pair. Here we have a disco going on. We are canceling this one. Here in the principal we can add euro, GBP. Can also be added in principal, although we have a global uptrend and this situation is moving sideways. So let's add let's start with our AUD. Yeah, we'll consider the situation. The global trend is going down. There is also an area of resistance, and we see that the parabolic is on top, which means that there will be a downward movement. A new green candle is also being calibrated. A small pullback will occur, but this is not critical. Also on MACD, all the peaks go down, and according to MACD, sliding lines, red is on top, green is on the bottom, and this means that the trend will go down. And the demarker also shows the situation down. Let's open for 3 minutes, and in principle our position is quite risky because here the pullback is calibrating, and it's possible that this false move is actually happening because there are a lot of red candles present. Also, the global movement had dipped heavily. If you move to higher time frames, here we have the situation goes green, red, green, red, and lately there have been a lot of reds and a strong jump occurred at this particular minute, so rollback is possible. We see that the green candle is being calibrated, but this does not mean that the trend will go up. A reversal is possible in principle. In theory it's possible because this support area has now been there for a long time. The price was with us for the last time at 41 minutes, almost in the first half of the day. Now in the second half of the day we see that the shadow has gone beyond our position where we made a deal, and this means that it will continue to calibrate down with us. It takes some time for this. We made 3 minutes of the trade and there are less than 2 minutes left, and the candle is down. Players are present that reduce the market, but in principle OTC is a rather mysterious market because it's not controlled by anything in principle, and OTC is a holiday. So trading here is quite risky, and basically global trends are happening. Either it goes up or it goes down. As you can see, there is less and less time left, and we have less and less chance that the deal will go. but we hope for the best and wait for the completion. We take our deal in plus friends. Let's change our currency pair and let's keep treating Australians or USD. OTC, we now have a global downward movement from 14 hours. Here we have a flat. There is a sideways movement. Let me immediately make a deal to increase up deal in this situation for 3 minutes. And let's do a little technical analysis because the analysis gives us an understanding of where the price will move. Let's choose another color. So we have an uptrend situation. The global movement was downward, the price pushed up. So went up. Here it was in sideways. He had two little sideways movements below here. That's the trend moves like this: sideways down, sideways down, sideways down, sideways up, sideways up, and again sideways, and most likely will shoot up, and our trend will go up. But as we can see that this is the peak points, and on MACD we have a crossover of the movement over this and the downward, and the situation is up on the demarker. We took a good position. Our candle was calibrating down and up. We have taken a central point position at this moment, and this trade can go up for us. So because the new green candle is being calibrated, we also have a new value calibrated by the parabolic. Because also on MACD moving red on top, the trend will decrease. The global situation will most likely continue. So in principle, we have little time left and the deal could in theory collapse, but we are in a good position. So we have a chance to take the deal, which will close in 40 seconds. And the new candle is calibrated. It immediately goes red, and the percentage of the entry of the deal is calibrated in this window. We see that the border has been crossed, the strongest impulse is present, and the demarker shows that the oversold state from 17 is reduced to 57. This is bad and very risky. We have less than 20 seconds left. Movement calibration is going down. Our deal goes in plus, perfect. At the latest timing, it's excellent, friends. Let's change the concept so as not to take risk in this position. We have a flat variations within 2 euro OTC, and so we have a global downward movement. And let's wait a little while and make a trade for an increase. Now I'll explain to you why. Let's make a deal here. Now we'll also analyze, look at our chart. The global trend is going down. If we consider in this period of time, then it will be like this situation, and it goes up. If we consider the global movements along the trend, so then this is such a situation for a decrease. All the same, here we have a support area and the trend has dipped a lot. In principle, it moved like this. If we consider now the calibration of this zone and compare it with this one, so we see it here, and the demarker shows that situation is going down, although it is going up, and the overbought area is 30%. MACDs lighting up are coming. In principle, the situation is also up, and actually here the trend is up and the parabolic is also up. There is a minute left. The deal is quite risky. OTC today. Impulse. Mini risks. We see stronger path up. The marker area is almost 80. The candle is calibrated, pushed down. Some player crushes it. We also look at this area. Almost reaches this area. Most likely there will be a reversal. Well, we made a deal to increase because most likely the situation will reach this position and push down. Here the consolidation period will be calibrated. We are waiting for another 30 seconds. All indicators are looking up at the moment, and it remains just to wait. So I'm sure it will be good. One more impulse. I'm sure the trade will be up. Let's pause off. And the deal goes up. Great. Let's change the concept down trade. Now we have a short period of consolidation taking place at this point in time, and we can observe the global situation on the rise. A reversal is taking place here, propelled by this area resistance, and it should also go down. And we see that we have a lot of lateral moments because it's OTC and it's okay. And here you can observe a very large rectangle with a sideways movement. The trend is moving in this range. It will likely move further down. So I also want to recommend you my Telegram channel where we practice our strategies only with my team of traders, and we give signals. And join us if you want, and also you can ask me any questions, I'll answer them. So we have 30 seconds left at the moment. Up comes through the MACD. The crossover of the moving averages means that the trend is reversed, and let's wait. The deal goes in plus. Good results. On the balance, we have $3,000. So friends, what do you think about this result? I think it's not bad, so try and test my strategy. Go to my Telegram, subscribe, and don't forget to use my bot. And you can find the links in the description. Happy New Year and bye bye.